want pictures? It's not pictures, it's the vlog. Say hi. Smile. Smile for pictures. Say cheese. Say hi. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Yes, go and sit. You're blowing them kisses? Look, Ty. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Say hi. Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Yes, baby, sit. Ooh. You want to sit? Look at your porridge mouth. You guys, baby's working out. Your girl ain't gonna work out this morning because I'm not feeling well. Mother Nature has taken me over today, so I'm not working out today at all. I'm not forcing it. I'm going to rest, and I'm feeling a little pain, so that's not too cool for me this morning. So I'm resting in today. I'm resting in. I'm skipping workout this morning. B. You. Good job. W. Which other one you see? He's obsessed with this train learning thing on YouTube that he's been watching these days non-stop. So yeah, we're just here. Yeah, Z. Look at this smile, he's so excited. We're up, but like I said, I'm not working out. Baby's working out behind me, but I'm sitting that out this morning. I'm just going to relax until baby finish and we yeah. Hey, until baby finish, we get some breakfast, and yeah, that's what's up this morning. B. C. Yeah. Bravo! Good job. Some of them were moving too fast. That's why he skipped some of them. Yeah. But he's watching it on the TV. So funny. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to relax. I'm going to relax and catch up with you guys in a bit. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys enjoy today's vlog, and if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. Tyler, say bye. Bye. Blow them kisses. He wants pictures. This boy loves pictures. Once he see me pick up the camera, or if we're ready and leaving the house, he's so ready. Mama, pictures. Camera ready. Give Mama Bizu. I love you. You guys, I just roll out a bit to make the breakfast while he's showering. Even though I'm not feeling so 100, but he worked out so well this morning, so he deserves a good breakfast. Hey guys, we are out of the house for a bit. We've been home trying to we've been home trying to live stream. I pull out my hair. We've been home trying to live stream and trying to figure out this YouTube live stream thing. We figured it out for the most part, but then you guys weren't seeing us, but you were hearing us, so we had to stop it and then try figure out the camera, which I think we successfully did. So we're on the road, and then we're gonna go back home and hopefully give you guys a little session of live stream. But we're actually heading to the little store close to home because Tyler is a bit constipated and we don't have anything at home to give him. And it's not like for you guys in the USA where it's easy to get things for babies when they're constipated. Most things here we have to take him to the doctor, and we have to get it with prescription, and it's not easy for us to get things like that, so we have to do home remedies. So we're going to the store to see if we get prune juice or some kind of honey or something, to see if something can help him to poo-poo, because my boy wants to poo-poo. He's been going to the toilet all morning and he's literally crying, and it's not happening. Even though when we took him to the doctor with his emergency a few weeks ago, the doctor gave us something for his poo-poo, and he's been poo-pooing since then, but for a few days now it's just not happening, right babe?
He did it like 2 days ago. It was very long, and he stayed like 45 minutes in the toilet crying, but
yeah,
he did it, but it was 2 days, maybe it's the last time.
Go Tyler, go. So we're walking to the store, and you guys know how much Tyler love walking, and the sunset is just peeking up, but it's so cloudy out today. That's just a little peek of it. Go Tyler, go. Walking. Bonjour. Go catch up, Papa. Don't step on the poop. This boy loves walking. Look at his little feet. Be careful down that hill. Stop! Stop! Car coming! Stop! Yeah. Hold Papa's hand. What? Bonjour. Tyler say wow. You are walking. Guys, we got prune juice, so I'm gonna give him some right now. Hold it. Just bye.
You took some? I have to put him in his zipper container. Well, you're gonna have to force. Bakery should be just.
You guys, I see a bakery. I have to come and get croissant. You want croissant? Where? Here?
Mini. Un cube, hein, Joe, la valeur d'un cube. C'est suffisant.
Croissant, please. Croissant. Come, Tyler, come. Hey, hey, no hands. Yay, yay. No hands. Go. No hands.
Allez, pas les mains.
Come. No hands.
Allez, pas les mains.
Yay, 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 yay. No. No hands. Come. Up.
Allez, allez, allez.
Hey guys, I'm just waiting on babe to join me so we can end the vlog. Oh yes, that's a cue to tell you guys that it's time for me to go to bed. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Tyler is still still haven't went to the toilet. He's been trying, but I try every trick in the book to get him to drink some more of the prune juice, but he's not having it. I think I'm going to even go in his bed right now and try to give him some through a syringe like medicine while he's sleeping and see if that will work.
That's how we used to do when he was kid, when he was very little. When he was sleeping in, take it. That was the only way. When I don't remember what kind of medicine he was taking.
We used to give him medicine when he's sleeping. When he was
younger. The only one he take good is the Dolaveau.
He take any medicine good, but it's just that he knows when it's not the medicine. He's not
stupid.
Not good. He's smart. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We had so much fun live streaming today. We finally figured out how to do live stream, and that was really fun chatting with all of you guys. So everybody who showed up on live, thank you guys for watching and tuning in and chatting with us live on Edited and Rawness. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression for today, and I promised babe last night that I would give the Jamaican expression to what a bad handwriting is called in Jamaican patois, and that is going to be crab tour. If you hear a Jamaican say, what kind of crab tour writing that, they simply mean you have a terrible handwriting. That's what everybody called my handwriting growing up, crab tour.
Crab tour?
It's simply saying the toes of the crab.
Okay. Oh, okay.
When the crab walk,
okay.
Crab don't have toes.
Oh, so it's better than cat?
You worse than cat, because the little things that the crab walk on, it goes like this.
Okay.
You see what I mean? They say you have crab tour writing.
You have crab tour writing?
Yeah, crab tour.
Okay.
So there you have the Jamaican expression for today, crab tour.
Crab tour.
Yeah.
But you don't have crab tour now.
It get better over time. But when I was growing up, oh shawty. What's the French word or expression for today?
Well, I like to say about animals, so I have some others.
This modern animals.
Especially about cat.
And more cat again?
More cat, but this one is not bad about cat.
Is cat again for you, man?
Yeah, cat. I'm gonna give another cat. This one is good for the cat. This one gonna say, quand le chat n'est pas là, les souris dansent. Literally, it means when the cat is not there, the mouse dancing.
Okay.
Means, for example, when you're at work and the manager is not there, everybody don't do any shit because, yeah, when the cat is not there, when the person who rules is not there, the others are dancing.
Right.
Understand the meaning? Yeah. Quand le chat n'est pas là,
quand le chat n'est pas là,
les souris dansent.
Les souris dansent.
Yeah, so that's walk
when
everywhere.
The cat is not there, the rat dance.
The mouse, you say the mouse.
Yeah. Okay, that one's a cool one.
So when you're at work, when you
When the boss is not there, you're happy.
Yeah,
You take over.
When for all the kids, when the parents are not at home, it's party.
Yeah.
Always like this.
Yeah. All right. Hello.
So that's the French expression for today.
All right, you guys, you get it?
Make sure you get it.
All right. We're going to go ahead and tell you guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. And if it's your first time, don't forget to
subscribe
and hit that notification bell. Comment down below. We enjoy chatting up with you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.